Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today let's see how to set up C environment in VS Code. So let's download VS Code. For that, go to the Google search, type VS Code. Then, the first link, that is code.visualstudio.com. On that, you click. Then here, there's a button for download for Windows Stable Build. Click on that. So yeah, you can see here, this VS Code user setup is downloading and it is gonna taking some time. So let's wait for it. Okay, yeah, I think it's downloaded. So let's open this, then double click on that, .exe file. Then here, click on I accept the agreement. Just a second. Yeah, here. Then click on next and click on next. So here again click on next and then select all the icons here and then next and then click on install. So here you can see that VS Code is installing. Okay, yeah, it's installed. And then if we click finish, it will launch the Visual Studio Code. Let's see. Okay, so this is Visual Studio Code. The thing is, here, Visual Studio is nothing but, like here we can open folder. Okay, for example, let me create one folder here. Like I can create some C, C programming. I'll just create some C programming folder here. Okay, then all you have to do is just select this folder. Okay, so here is a button called new file. Okay, you just give this and yes, I trust others. So here there is something like new file. You can create n number of files. Like if you want to create C files, then you should create hello.c. Yeah, so this is the C file where you're going to write the program and execute the code. So go to this search button on the left side. Sorry, extension here. There is a icon for extension. You can see that extensions. Click on that and search extension, that is Code Runner. So I don't know why error is coming. Let's just see. So code. See, when you type code, so this is for C, C++, Java, JavaScript and all. Just install. Click on install. It is installing. So yeah, like it will. So yeah, it got installed. So just you install this for right now, and then go to the Google and then search MinGW. Then the website is sourceforge.net. So click on the first link and then here download is there. Click on the download button. Here it shows your download will start shortly. And yeah, so I think, yeah, it got downloaded. Open this and then on this application, double click on it. And then here, there's a button called install. Just 1 minute. Yeah, just click on install. Then just click on continue. And here you'll see that, it is installing. It will take some time. Okay, I think it's almost done. So then again, click on continue. So here what you need to do is click on this MinGW GCC G++. Select this, mark for installation, and then Min GW32 base. So click on this and then mark for installation. So these two you select, and then go to this installation here, click on that installation, and then apply, click on apply changes, and then click on this apply button. Yeah, so it is downloading packages. So it is still downloading the packages which are necessary. So I guess it's still installing. Okay. So you can see this, all changes were applied successfully. You may now close this dialog. So, you can close. Okay. So yeah, after closing, usually this, just go to this PC and then open C, and then there, this MinGW, and then bin. Okay, copy this path, Control C, copy this path. Okay, then go there and search environment, variables. So it came. So just open this, and then here there's button called environment variables. Click on that. Okay, and then here what needs to do is path. Okay, here is the path. Click on that path and then create new, and then paste whatever you've copied. No, paste that and click on OK, and then again here OK, and then here OK. Then after that, if you want to see whether this, MinGW or C++ is installed in your PC or not, just go and type CMD here. Okay, then, type GCC, hyphen hyphen version, and then enter. So here it is showing the version of GCC. That means this MinGW is installed successfully. So this is all about installing or setting up C environment in Visual Studio Code. Let's start our new program in the next video. Hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Thank you.